Today we are going to see about the topic modules and function. The module is nothing but it is a type of a file consisting of a Python code. The module can be defined as either a function or any class or variable. For example, see the code. Here I am declaring an variable which is consisting of a string. So the string is nothing but a string of character. So I'm going to define the string in the terms of double quotes. Then I'm going to define the function name as a print func, and I'm going to send a variable into it. Then I'm going to print hello into it as an output statement. Then I'm going to return the value. Then I have to print the function. So this is the output. So what it will do means, the first thing, the print function of a, the a is equal to Dora. So it will go to the corresponding function. Then in that output statement, the hello will be printed first, then the Dora will be printed. This is the type of an set of values which can be sent. So what is the need of this one means, whenever I want to send a number of values to the same statement again and again. For example, only the different values I have to send to the function again and again. On that time, I can able to use the module thing. Then the next one is about the how to import the module in a different way. Either we can able to import using import statement, that can be from import statement or from import star statement. Star means the value will be combed from the memory itself. So the import statement is nothing but it is a type of source of a file as a module executing is an import. For example, I'm going to import the module 1, 2 and to module n. So import math, the math module will be imported automatically from the library. Then print math dot square root of 4. So fourth square root function will be used, that will be available in the module math. So actually in the Python library we have different number of modules will be there. So whenever I have to call the mathematical function, I have to call the math library. So before that only we had given the statement here. Then next one is a bit from import. So here I'm going to provide the specific attributes. For example, I'm going to use the module access by. That means I'm going to access the values in it from the sample import A and B. So first thing is about the sample import. I'm going to import A and B from the import access. Then I'm going to print that A and PY will be imported automatically. Then the next one is about importing the star statement. I'm going to import all the names from the module into the current namespace. Then I'm going to import that value. It can be added so many items into the current message. The next one is about, you're going to see about the function. The function is nothing but a block of code that can be executed when it is called. Here the function block begin with an keyword def, and this one we'll see in the next part.